You can't believe that I used ChatGPT to recreate this image from this to this. It's no longer news that with ChatGPT we can design or generate pictures or files of our choice. And I use this particular image for my Facebook ads. Guys, so this is very very good, especially if you're a business owner or you own a brand. You can actually use this to cut costs when it comes to outsourcing these kind of things to graphic designers. If you know that you want to learn something like this, make sure you watch this video because I will be showing you how I was able to achieve this. Hey guys, so this is how to actually do your design your image using the ChatGPT Image Generator, right? First of all, this place is the place where you use for your uploading. You get, you can connect to your Google, you can connect to your OneDrive, you can upload from your computer. Then here you can actually use this place to create so many things. Do you get? Then here you can use it as well. Here. So all you have to do is just go through ChatGPT, like hover around and get used to these things. The more you check, like the more you keep going through it, the more you discover a lot of things that you can do with it. So now let's go straight to the point. So this place is the place where you will upload your files. Do you get? This is the place where you upload your files. That is the images you want to use for this particular design, right? So now let's start. I'm going to upload my file. Wow. So I already have my file down. So this is a skincare product. These are skincare products. Then for my prompt, I already have my prompt written down. Then what I will tell you about prompt is always make sure you put the right prompt. The right prompt will give you a very good output. Do you get? Because you're giving ChatGPT an instruction. Because you're giving ChatGPT an instruction on what to do for you. You get? So just know how to prompt. If you don't know how to prompt, please, there are so many courses on YouTube where you can learn how to prompt. So now you see, okay. So now you see this place. Use this image, sorry. Use these images to design a flyer for my Instagram ads on my skincare page. In the flyer, generate 2 images of skincare melanin models, a male wearing sleeveless, blah 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 blah, and all of that. You get? This is my prompt. This is my prompt now. So let's, so we can see it's generating, right? So for here, you just have to be very patient. It takes time. So guys, let's check. Done. Wow. Wow. So guys, what are you seeing? Have you seen it? I hope you are seeing this. Just like I imputed in the prompt. You see, use 2 models, a female and a male melanin models. So can you see them? Now, have you seen the image? Exactly. There's no difference. See them. There's no difference with the one ChatGPT generated, right? Or recreated. So this is a lip gloss image. It's one brand though. So I want ChatGPT to recreate this for me. Like I said, I already have my prompts written down to avoid this video being a long one. So what did I say here? Use these images to design an ad creative for my Facebook ad. Generate an image of a blah 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 blah. Make the ads creative feminine. Like I said, these are images of of a lip gloss is the same brand. So guys, you can see done. Let's check what happened. Deserves to be beautiful. Wow. Okay, can you see this, right? Can you see it? This is beautiful, right? Okay, now I actually want, let me see if ChatGPT can regenerate this again. Guys, you can see it now. This is good. Have you seen it? Have you seen what we are talking about? Who will ever believe that this thing was actually generated with an AI? Like, it is so real. Do you get? So this is, you can see how we prompted ChatGPT to change it from this, because if you're using this thing for marketing, you're just showing this one. So how do customer know what you're selling when they can't see how it looks? So that was why we generate this again. With this, at least customer will get to see the varieties of the product and choose from it. Do you understand? So this is the sweet work of ChatGPT. See it, from this to this, from this to this, and this is even full. Your lips deserve to be beautiful. Now that you've learned how you can actually do this on your own as well, it has a lot of benefit. Like, there are lots of things that we can do with this feature that ChatGPT has released. You can use it to create art creatives, and the money making part of this is that you can help business owners to design art creative, to design files or flyers or banners that they are going to use for their art. And secondly, you can use it for your ebook cover. So all those images that you'll be needing when you're writing or when you're designing an ebook, you can ask ChatGPT to create or design an image for you for an ebook. ChatGPT will definitely deliver exactly what you want, because ChatGPT is really giving quality over quality. If you're an ebook creator, you can use this for your ebook covers and even for pages where you're going to have graphics, like where you're going to have pictures and some other things there for illustrations. And another thing is, you can use this to design menus. The money making aspect of this is you can design menus for restaurants, for hotels. Another good thing is you can also generate images using this feature in ChatGPT for Canva, and this is purposely for decor. And the money making aspect here is, when you generate beautiful pictures for Canva, you're going to sell them off to people in need of decor for their homes and offices. You can also use it to design thumbnails for your video, whether your TikTok video, your Instagram video, or your YouTube videos. Do you get? You can use this feature to design thumbnails. Guys, see, you can use this to do a whole lot of things. All you have to do is just keep researching, keep trying. You just need to try. If you don't try, you're not going to know what you can actually achieve with this. So just keep trying, and when you're trying, you're discovering new things that you can actually do with this feature that ChatGPT has released. So guys, this is a money making opportunity that ChatGPT has presented to us. And what do? We have to make good use of it to make money. Like, we have to milk it. We have to use it to make money for ourselves. So make sure that you go on ChatGPT and start trying. Keep trying and keep discovering. There are a lot of things that you can actually do with these features that ChatGPT has released. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, do like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe and always turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post interesting videos like this. See you. Bye.